Hi everyone, I am Saeed from Hot Plate. Today I am going to make cucumber salad with beef steak. The recipe is too easy, doesn't involve a lot of ingredients, and that is very yummy and very healthy. And I am sure you will love it. I am going to slide the cucumber. I have the machine, you could use it your hand if you want to. So I found it much easier with my machine. After I cut, I am going to add a pinch of salt, and mix it. This is a bean salad for my salad. I am going to add a pinch of salt and boil it for a few minutes. Add some onion, now some scallops, we are going to make the sauce. We need some fresh lemon. Wow, it smells good, nice. Get all of the juice out of it. The other half too. Wow, I could feel fresh lemon, smells nice. Next, I am going to add some rice vinegar, some fish sauce, add some honey or some oil, chili. We are going to make the salad now. I tap it up with the sauce which I had just made. It's going to be very tasty, and when I am going to make a steak and add to it, that will be really yummy, very healthy. Now I am going to make quickly the steak. I add some oil, I add the steak, I add some teriyaki sauce, I add the garlic, I add some chili, and I add some sweet chili. Mix it all together. Finally, I add some mushrooms. We are going to put everything together. This is a very low calorie food. I add some olive for taste, and I am sure you will love it. Try it, that's very easy to make, it's not hard. This is Saeed from Hot Plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe.